Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML today. HTML. What is a HTML? HTML attribute is used to specify an HTML element. This is an unique id defined for an HTML element in the whole HTML document. HTML attribute is case sensitive. Note: web developers are encouraged to use unique names which should describe the semantic purpose of the element. Developers are encouraged not to have the same id names for multiple elements in HTML documents. What are the naming rules for HTML? There are some rules to be followed while declaring the id names, listed below. 1. Id name must not contain whitespace, spaces, tabs, etc. 2. Id name can have one single ID value. Syntax. Tag syntax is defined as open tag and closed tag element. Inside the tag, id attribute is declared to set the id for the tag. Tag defines the HTML element tag. Id name defines the id name, where the id attribute is used. Like class attribute, id attribute is mostly used inside 1. HTML documents, 2. CSS files, 3. JavaScript and other client-side scripting files. 1. HTML documents. Id can be directly accessed inside HTML documents inside style tag with #id name format. 2. CSS files. Id can be accessed inside the HTML document inline style, and also in a separate CSS file with #.id name format. 3. JavaScript. Id can be accessed via the id selectors or functions like the DOM method document.getElementsById. Declare an id name in HTML document. Example. In this example we have declared multiple heading tags, and inside the heading tag, id declaration is done. Id attribute contains id names. The output of the HTML file is displayed with various heading tag content. Output. Id name inside CSS style tag. Example. In this example we have declared multiple heading tags, and inside the heading tag id declaration is done. Id attribute contains class names. CSS style is applied for all the heading tags with reference to the id names declared inside the style tag. The output is displayed as headings with different colors. Output. Id name inside JavaScript script tag. Example. In this example we have declared multiple heading tags, and inside the heading tag id declaration is done. Id attribute contains class names. Here we are applying the style content for the headings by using JavaScript tags. Inside the script tag we are getting the heading element by using the document.getElementById tag. Then we apply the colors for the heading tags by using the style property. The output shows the heading content with borders and different colors. Output. Let's us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.